What does syncing calendars and to-do lists mean?
Syncing your calendar with your to-do list means integrating both tools so that tasks and events are visible in one place. This can involve connecting digital apps or manually adding tasks to your schedule. The goal is to create a streamlined workflow that helps manage time and priorities by showing appointments, deadlines, and tasks together.
What are the benefits of syncing?
Syncing can improve organization and reduce the risk of double booking or missing important deadlines. By seeing tasks and events together, you gain a clearer overview of your commitments. This integration can help with planning realistic schedules, prioritizing daily efforts, and making it easier to spot and resolve conflicts before they happen.
Are there any downsides?
While syncing offers advantages, there are some potential drawbacks. Overcrowding your calendar with tasks can lead to overwhelm or make your day appear busier than it is. Some people find that blurring the line between appointments and to-dos makes their schedule harder to manage, especially if tasks are frequently rescheduled or left incomplete.
Will syncing work for everyone?
Not everyone benefits equally from syncing. It's ideal for those who thrive on structure and visual planning, but less effective for people who prefer flexibility or use task lists for long-term goals. Personal workflow, the nature of your tasks, and your comfort with digital tools should all factor into your decision.
How can you sync effectively?
To get the most out of syncing, keep your task list focused. Only include action items that need a scheduled block of time. Separate larger goals from daily tasks. Review your combined calendar regularly and adjust as needed. Most importantly, experiment with different methods to discover what best fits your workflow.
Bottom line, should you sync?
Integrating calendars and to-do lists can boost productivity for many, but it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. Consider your habits, preferences, and the complexity of your schedule. Try syncing on a small scale first to see if it helps you streamline your workflow and achieve your daily goals more efficiently.